let's focus right on the issue at hand. This is the section that you want to master. Okay, super important. What's up everyone, Steve from musicpack.com. Want to make this short video to give you three things. First, I'm going to show you how to play the C major scale with both hands using the proper fingering. I'm also going to give you a cool warm-up technique to get your fingers and your muscles coordinated between both of your hands. And I'm going to teach you how to play 5 easy songs that will help improve your memory and just everything in general. So let's get started. The C major scale consists of all the white notes, okay, and it starts on C. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the same note. So really there's 7 notes in the major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a repeat. Now we have 5 fingers. How do we play all these 7 notes in the scale? And 8 if you include the octave. Well, we have to cross. In the right hand, we're actually going to cross the thumb under. 1, 2, 3, cross under. And then it crosses on top as you descend. Over the top with 3, finger 3. It's pretty standard that thumbs are 1, kind of rhymes, so it's easy to remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in terms of how your fingers are numbered. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? 5 being the pinkies. So what I want you to do is put your thumb on C and just play the first 3 notes. And when you're ready to go under, notice that your hand is in a different position. Now you're set up for the next set of notes. And you can stay here for a while. And when you're ready to go back down, the cross happens over top to E, D, and C. So practice that for a while. Something that I don't really see many people talking about is to actually just focus on practicing the cross, okay? So this is really the action that needs to become automatic. You have this finger 3, your middle finger 3 on E, crossing on top. Thumb is on F. Finger 2, the pointer, is on G. And this is the action that needs to get really comfortable, especially if you're brand new. This might feel a little uncomfortable. So that's why we're going to isolate that. Rather than playing up and down the scale a bunch of times, let's focus right on the issue at hand. This is the section that you want to master. Okay, super important. Same thing for the left hand, except our hands are a mirror of each other. So instead of starting on C with your thumb, you're going to start an octave lower on C with your pinky. So what does that look like? You're going to play all 5 notes in this position, and then you're going to change position by crossing over with the 3rd finger on A. And then you're in this new position. Now, when you want to go back down, you have to remember that after you play the note with the 3rd finger or reach the A key, it's time to cross. Because you could keep on going all the way down, but then there'd be nowhere to go, okay? So you need to remember the time to cross is there, puts your thumb on G, and then you're in the position to complete the scale. And just like we did with the right hand, we're going to isolate this movement right here. So this is F, pointer, finger 2, G, thumb 1, cross with finger 3 on A. And just work this movement until it really becomes fluid and second nature. Now, it's time to put them together, okay? So the issue is that the crosses actually happen at different times. Cross on the right hand, cross on the left hand. Let's just work on that, just ascending, going up the scale. Right hand cross, left hand cross, okay, so that's what's going on. 1, 2, 3, cross, cross. So the reference points to look out for, because this takes a while if this is your first time, is your second finger should be on the G and your thumb should be on the G if you made the first cross properly. Okay, that's the first checkpoint. And then finish it out. Now going down, cross on the left, cross on the right. Let's practice just descending. Cross, cross. And literally, watch my video about how to practice. Literally, you're gonna just do this a lot. You could even, I don't know if you like to watch TV or you have like YouTube videos that you like to watch, kind of like in theory, you could practice this as a challenge or a test while watching your show to make sure that your fingers have this subconsciously. That's the whole goal of the repetition, is to make sure that you do it enough times where you don't need to think about it anymore, okay? So at first, yes, you're gonna need to really make sure that you're doing all the right fingering, crossing at the proper time, very deliberately, but eventually you wanna get to the point where you can talk and record a lesson. And it all works out. Okay, and I can do this with the volume off, just to get the right feel. While watching a TV show or whatever. If someone's asking me a question in the background, it just happens because I have the muscle memory locked in my fingers of the C major scale. So that's the goal on that.